So this is my cat Lola. As you can see, and we already discussed, she loves getting pet. She loves it so much that if I'm not petting her right then, right when she wants to be pet and scratched, she will literally grab my hand and pull it towards her and make me pet her, which I don't think I've really captured that well in this video. But I just wanted you to see how much she talks, because she talks the entire time I'm petting her, because she loves it so much, and she wants to make sure that I know that I'm doing a good job. So a little about Lola. Lola is about 9-10 years old in people years. She likes long walks on the beach. Just kidding, she doesn't go outside. She only goes on the back patio. But she actually came from Mississippi, and now she's a California cat. She's had lots of different cat roommates, and she's kind of the boss. But I thought I would introduce you all to my cat Lola. Here she is, and I hope you enjoyed her pettings and scratchings as much as she did. Thanks, guys.
Okay, that's enough.
We'll see you next time.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Okay. You relax now. Okay.
That's enough.